Okay, London session done. Quick recap. Um, London session, I look at gold, oil, DE30, UK 100. Had no trade on gold. Shortly after my Asia session, gold dumped, and I did not have any setup for a continuation. UK 100, I was looking for sells, but had to be below the day breakout level. I'm bullish above, bearish below. And faked out the H8 high, which is good, but it did not get under the breakout level. So no trade on UK 100 and DA30 did not fake out the H8 high, and so no trade on DE30, which leaves oil as the only one that I traded. Oil signal day today. It's a trend continuation signal day, monthly, weekly, daily breakout levels all pushing down. Broke out below the previous week low. It's a bearish breakout week. And we've also broken out below the previous month low. So we're currently in breakout of the month. So I'm looking for high of the day sells on oil. London open, oil pushed up, faked out the H8 high right here. It's nice M15 bullet bearish bar that took out the last M15 bearish bar, but it's 15 minutes before the new hour. So waited until the next hour to open up because at that time also the H1 was in breakout, right? So didn't need to see how that H1 closed. This is when the H1 closed, and I took a fake out of the H1 high. Once price faked out the H1 high here, faked out the H4 and H8 high again, and I entered straight on this M5 fake out bar and hung around a bit, but I'm okay with that. My stop loss is at the high of the day. Trend continuation signal days, I'm always looking for a continuation of this move. So the target will be previous day low. So if it gets all the way, it'll be about 7.5 R, and that's about it. I'll have a look how price behaves over here. This is the H1 range. So that's an outside bar in the H1 that creates a range. So I'm currently in a range. Took the trade from the high, which is good. And that is it. So once price gets here, I'll probably go break even. And that is it. That's it. So that's the only trade I took. As I said, with D30 and UK 100, it didn't close in the levels that I was looking for. I did look at Forex, lots of signal days, but nothing set up for me. The one that I was closest to getting into, or the one that I liked the most, was actually CAD Swiss, but did not fake out the H8 high, did not take out the last bullish M15 bar. Was hoping that it would take out this to the downside and I could take the continuation to the down to the previous day low. Trend continuation day, signal day on this one. And I think that was it. I wasn't really looking at anything else besides that. JPY pairs have been moving quite a bit lately, so I'm always trying to get an entry in them, but there was no entry on any of these ones. So that's it. Took only oil in London and now waiting for New York.